Hi friends! So today we'll be making slime. See, I already got some here. And I just need to make, oopsies. I'll try down here. And so I'm just technically mixing mine. But you're also gonna be making, ooh no, that's bad. Okay, I'll be back. Hi, so I'm back. So what you'll need to make it is, first let me just get this off. No, didn't get that sticky. Get off of here! I don't think it wants to get off. What you want is a lemon. Ask for parents' help because you're gonna need a knife. And you'll also need strong glue. You can use any type, but it has to be strong glue. Also won't work. And salt. And also a little container so you can keep all of it. You can just keep it like in here if you want, but I would rather keep it in here. So to start, first need to cut the lime. I'm not sure if, dang it. Come on. Ooh, that I'm a cook. I'm a cook, so I know how to use a knife, and I'm just 8. Fast. So first you're gonna cut the lime. Oh yeah, and I also forgot to add, you need some cream so it doesn't get too sticky. Okay, now just wanna put the lime into here. It has water in it, cold water. You can use any water, but I recommend using cold. And then squeeze it. You don't have to use a whole lemon. And then just mix it. And then all you got to do, oh yeah, and then you have to add salt. Cause then salt will, oh, dang. That's not good. Yeah. And see if you just keep, already got some slime ready here. So if you just keep, now we're done the mixture. Now you just got to add the favorite part, strong glue. I'm using lots of it. If you notice, if you don't add salt, it'll actually might just sink to the bottom if there's too much. Okay, now it's ooh. See, ow. I'm just gonna have. Okay, I'll be back. I have a cut there. It actually hurts a lot. I recommend wearing gloves. Ow, that hurts. Feels better now. Forgot that I have to wear gloves. Ooh, ow. What's there? Oh, not again. Now you just gotta mix it. Then you should have that. And if you touch it and it's still a little bouncy, that means it's not ready. So I guess I'm just gonna add this. Ooh. Let's just get this one ready first. It's still sticky, just keep mixing it. Should be done. And don't worry, this is cream. Double check if it's gonna be good. Once you feel the water's getting a little stronger, that means it might be ready. Let's just check this one. Definitely not ready. Keep mixing. You can make more, but right now I'm just gonna make this much, because I do not really want more. Maybe it's not having enough lemon. Let me add a little more. Okay, better. Oopsies. Just keep mixing. You can see the stick right here. May want to use wood. Oh, it might be ready. No, dang it. I think it's slime. Let's go, it's slime. Just gotta mix it a little more. Maybe mix it for like about from 6 minutes to 10 minutes. Or maybe you can do it to 15. It's actually working pretty well. I feel like it's ready. It is ready. All you gotta do is just take it off. Just gonna be some on the stick. And then, oh no, dang it. Come on, I just ruined the leather. Yeah, I have leather. Get that. And if it's not working, I recommend you just put it in the freezer. Mine did work. There's still some glue at the bottom. Oh no, come on. Okay, I'm gonna put some cream now. It's actually a lot. I don't even think it's gonna fit in the jar. Subscribe if you think it is gonna fit in the jar. Like if you think it's not. Just get your hands. That actually stinks so much. But now you have your slime. Oh no, my opal. Yeah, I have an opal right here. It's pretty rare.